I'm feeling a little ill right now, and I don't mean ill like really cool and awesome. I mean like I'm coming down with a sickness. Aha! Alright, look. Hey, well I was riding this shotgun, speeding down the highway, listening to music, haven't slept in like 5 days. I tried taking a nap, lean my head against the window. It feels real, I swear to God, this shit pretend though. Cause me, I get high, make music for a living. If that ain't the best job, then give me your opinion. Cause I love life, chillin' for the night, case of Bud Light. Small world for me, but you live a bug's life. Scared to chase your dreams, scared to take a risk, think it's make-believe. So you hate this shit, Valentine, love it. Grimier the rubbish, you softer than a Snuggie and you sweeter than a sun kiss. Never eating beats on your Doug shit. Come with all the swagger, but you lacking all the substance. Cool, the dude you used to wanna be in school, spending money, drinking liquor, naked girls up in my pool. Wake up in my bed, getting head, she says. The act so cool, but she easily impressed. I let her lay back, watch her while she gets dressed. Put herself together, last night was a mess. Yes, today a new day, a fresh start. If you didn't make mistakes, you wouldn't get far. Get hard, get high, ain't shit till you try. Hey yo, my herb smoke tasting like a nerd's rope. I'ma get rich so I can buy my bitch a fur coat, something like a millionaire in training. Still my shit amazing, we jumping over puddles when it's raining. Planning on a tan, I'm in the sand and we'll be jamming, make a bounce while we dancing on the clouds until I'm landing in my house. Remember when my moms would hate me standing on the couch, but now I'm making so much money I start to lose count. I try and spend it quick, I got bills though. Yeah, I'm only 18, I got skills though. Beats, rhymes, life, trap called chill flow. You been rapping 25 years and you still broke. No disrespect, the riches is the art. I'm just mad at all these haters who was bitches from the start. We do this cause we love it and it's setting us apart. We was already gone while you was only on your mark. Wake up in my bed, getting head, she says. The act so cool, but she easily impressed. I let her lay back, watch her while she get dressed. Put herself together, last night was a mess. Yes, today a new day, a fresh start. If you didn't make mistakes, you wouldn't get far. Get hard, get high, ain't shit till you try.
Big boy, the big boy.
The cross. The fucking cross. Fucking garbage.
Came up on him silently, just walked up on him, put in his D.